Hello, everyone. Today's episode is on the two most common ways to carry on a business: sole proprietorship versus corporation. This video is not legal advice. We recommend you retain a lawyer and receive legal advice for any questions you may have. What is a sole proprietorship? This simply means a person carrying on a business. You have a good or service you want to offer for a profit, you do offer it, voila, you're a sole proprietor. What is a corporation? A corporation is a separate legal entity just like a human being. You bring a corporation into existence by incorporating it. Okay, we know what they are now. Which one do you choose? Let's talk about sole proprietor first. Sole proprietor. The greatest benefit that being a sole proprietor offers over a corporation is the reduced cost to start the business and maintain it. If you want to start a lawn cutting business and you already have a lawnmower, there is nothing more to do except offer your services. There is no need to pay for incorporation or to file a corporate tax return. In a sole proprietorship, you simply keep your eye on the ball and make sure that your income is exceeding your expenses. The greatest benefit the corporation offers over a sole proprietorship is the limitation of liability. Generally, the liabilities of the business are the liabilities of the corporation. Think of lease obligations, loans, and contract disputes. The ability of a business owner to be relieved of certain liabilities of the business and to place those on the corporation represent a significant advantage over a sole proprietorship. How much liability might be associated with your type of business? Are the potential risks and liabilities low enough that they wouldn't trouble you if they arose? Can you get insurance to help protect against potential liabilities? There is a cost to incorporate a corporation, and there is a cost to maintain it. It gets its own bank account and its own tax return. How much are the administrative costs to set up and run a corporation? And are they worth it for you and your business? Where does the business owner fit into a corporation? When you run your business through a corporation, the sole proprietor typically becomes a shareholder, that is the owner of the corporation, and also becomes a director and officer. The director is the person setting the strategic direction of the corporation. The officers, like president, CEO, CFO, etc., are the people who run the corporation on a daily basis and are trying to implement the corporate strategy. This is not complicated in a small corporate business. In a small business that runs through a corporation, the shareholder, director, and officer are routinely the same person. Tax advantages. A corporation offers useful and unique tax advantages. One of the most noteworthy is the ability to defer taxes by keeping the corporation's profits in the corporation bank account, instead of paying them out when and as they are received. Deferring taxes offers a tremendous opportunity for tax planning. Do you need to receive all your business revenue in this calendar year? Could it help your business to keep some profits in its corporation bank account? This tax deferral consideration is a key one in considering sole proprietorship versus corporation. If you need all the revenue that your business is generating, you won't be able to take advantage of the tax deferral that the corporation offers. This may tip the scales in favor of sole proprietorship. Another tax advantage arises on the sale of a business. When you sell the shares of your corporation, you can take advantage of capital gains exemptions to lessen your tax obligations. That advantage wouldn't be available if you simply sold the assets of your business. If you are considering whether to operate as a sole proprietorship or a corporation, you have a good dilemma. You already have the idea and the drive to run your own business. What kind of business do you think is right for you? What kind of business do you think is right for your situation? That's all for today. Until next time.